Bonjour! Today we are going to learn one common tense in French. It is called Futur Proche. Okay? It is called Futur Proche. What is Futur Proche? Futur Proche represents an action which will happen very soon. Okay? In English, it is like saying, we are going to arrive in Paris this morning. Are going to arrive. Next, you have example of, you are going to leave Strasbourg tonight. Are going to leave. Next example is, she is going to visit her parents this weekend. Is going to visit. And the last example you have, they are going to pay the bills this afternoon. Right? Are going to pay. That is what? Futur proche. Okay? It represents an action which will happen soon. Not now, but soon. Okay, how is futur proche formed? We use verb aller, means to go, in the present tense with the infinitive of the verb chosen. What is infinitive? Infinitive is the root verb. Kata kerja keras. Okay? For instance here, in the table you have verb infinitive, arriver, partir, visiter and payer. So how do you form it? You take the verb aller in the present tense and you combine with the verb infinitive that you have choose. Okay? Alright? So, you have 4 examples here. Elle va arriver ce soir. So you have va comes from the verb aller in present tense. Then you have arriver comes from the infinitive verb. If you look at the spelling of the arriver, it is not conjugated at all. It doesn't change at all. Okay? So the second example here, you have nous allons partir à 11h. Now you have allons partir. Allons comes from the verb aller in present tense and partir is the infinitive verb. So what does it mean? Elle va arriver ce soir. She is going to arrive this evening. Okay? And what does it mean? Nous allons partir à 11h. We are going to leave at 11 in the morning. So you see, it's not happening yet, but it's going to happen soon. Now, the third example is, je vais visiter Paris. Now, V comes from the verb aller in present tense. Then you have visiter, which is the infinitive of the verb. So, I am going to visit Paris. Okay? Going to, soon. Okay? Now, the last example you have, ils vont payer en liquide. They are going to pay by cash. So you have vont payer. Vont comes from the verb aller in the present tense, and you have payer is the infinitive of the verb. Okay? So that is futur proche. Remember how it is formed? You use the verb aller in the present tense with the infinitive of the verb chosen. Infinitive means kata kerja keras or the root verb. Okay? Alright, I think that's all for this chapter. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.